Hi guys, so I'm going to be cooking with the golden peach. Yes guys, the golden peach is a divine seed from the fall market and I am going to be cooking with that right now. So for those of you who don't know, guys, this golden peach is one of my favorite trees and seeds right now. So let's go cook this golden peach, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I'm in front of my garden, and this is what the golden peach looks like. For those of you who have never seen it, guys, this is what the golden peach looks like. Yes, once you plant it and you harvest it, this is what it looks like. And we are going to be cooking this golden peach to find out, guys, what is going to happen. So in this first pot right here, I'm going to be submitting the golden peach. Yes, let's see guys, what is this going to come out as? I can't wait, I know. And I'm also going to be submitting a sugar glaze. This sugar glaze is so pretty, guys. Yes, and I want to be using a corn for my base. So I'm just going to be using 2 corns, guys, so that it's going to have a base. So let's see what's going to happen. So 1 corn and another corn. Yes, so guys, I have corn, golden peach, and a sugar glaze just for the sake of, making sure that the golden peach is really relevant. I'm going to add another golden peach. So I have 2 golden peaches, a sugar glaze, and 2 corns, and we are going to cook, and it's going to take us 6 minutes and 23 seconds to cook this amazing food, guys. Yes, you can see my pot is cooking. Can you see this, guys? My pot has started cooking and it's turning. While this pot 1 is cooking, I want to cook something else in pot 2. So guys, what do you think we should cook? So let's put 2 corns. Yes, so 1 corn, another corn. So I'm putting 2 corns and a grape. So we're going to see what's going to happen with this. Yes, guys, so 2 corn and a grape, and this grape has some mutations and it has turned my pot pinkish, guys, and this is going to take just 5 minutes to cook. So guys, while this is cooking, while our golden peach is cooking, and also while the corn meal is also cooking in the second pot, we're going to do something, guys. Guess what we're going to do? So I've left the kitchen area and I'm just going to go ahead and let's do something. And what's that something? Let's open our eggs. Let's hatch the eggs. Let me go to the ostrich farm. Yes, I have to go to the ostrich farm because I want to hatch the egg. Those of you who don't know, when you have a lot of ostriches and you hatch the eggs, it gives it a huge egg. Yes, so you're going to see how I'm going to hatch these eggs. And guys, please, let's keep praying, guys. So I'm going to take all of this out here so that I can see what was hatched and I can easily, quickly go and trade if I have to. So I have 8 slots. Yes, so I can go sell it if I don't like it. But let's keep our fingers crossed. Maybe I'll be lucky. I don't know. But I'm going to be opening the eggs right now and I have all of my ostriches, guys. Okay, guys, so let's start with 1 full egg. Ready? We got a robin. Okay, let's go. We got a pixie that is 33 years old. Okay. See what I told you guys? We got a 33-year-old pixie. Okay. Let's see. Let's go for another full egg, guys. Guys, keep praying while our food is getting ready. So that we'll see what we're able to cook. Another robin, guys. But it's a 46-year-old robin, which is a good thing too. We have some people who are always looking for 46-year-old, so we can definitely do something with a 46-year-old robin and even a 33-year-old pixie. So let's keep going. Okay, so another pixie. So guys, if you want the 46-year-old robin or a 33-year-old pixie, let me know in the comment section and we will give it to you guys. That's if you are one of the first to comment. So I'm going to pick randomly. So I got an imp. Okay, so let's keep going. Okay, let me hatch a 4 egg, guys. Earthquake is happening. Is the earthquake going to give me some luck? Another robin that was 34 years. Okay, guys. So we got another robin that is 34 years old. Am I going to get lucky, guys? This is a ladybug that is 38 years old. Okay, let's see. And let's see, a ladybug that's 38 years old. Okay, guys. So and another robin, guys. Oh, so sad, but not to worry, we're going to plant again. Yes, I'm going to put more eggs and hopefully we will get lucky next time. So let's go back to our normal pet slot and I'm hoping that we get lucky this time. So guys, let me get the eggs out. Let's get the egg. So we have a bug egg. Let's put one bug egg here. We have we still have the enchanted eggs. Yeah, maybe we'll get more cockatrice. Yes. Okay. This and this. That's 4. Okay, let's get the full egg. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and the last one. I want to put one around here, maybe here. Okay, guys, so we are done cooking. Okay, so I put the eggs and let's go check our food, guys. Let's check the food. Yes, so we are done. Okay. So let's see, guys. What did we get? Let's see. 13 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we got a cake. Wow. So guys, we got a donut and a cake, guys. Yes, we got a donut and a cake. So okay, guys, so let's see. So we got a donut and a cake. Okay, guys, let's see what our cake looks like. Let's get the cake. Let's see what our cake looks like. A cake. Okay, this should be the cake. Okay, guys, this is our golden peach cake, and let's see what our donut looks like, guys. Let's see what our donut looks like. So let's get the donut. I feel like donuts will be so beautiful. Okay, guys, so this is really pretty, guys. This donut is beautiful, guys. Wow, I love it. It's really beautiful, guys. This is an absolutely beautiful donut. So let's go to the sale area and go and find out how much this is worth, guys. So let's see, how much is this worth? 920. Oh my days, that's a good sale and it's so pretty, guys. So let's see how much the golden peach cake is worth $267. They are all good prices, guys. Wow, wow, wow. So my donut is super expensive, guys. So we have our cake and we have our donut. So I'm going to take a picture of this donut, guys. And yes, guys, so we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Let me know which plant you want me to try out in the kitchen, and we can see what recipes we can come up with. This is definitely the golden peach cake and donut recipe. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Remember to leave a comment and let me know what pets you want. I love you guys. Take care and bye.